Hi pretty people. So, first video in a new house. I've moved again. Just nobody that knows me is surprised. Anyway, so I have decided to create this look or recreate it. It's kind of a mishmash of 3 ideas. So in the last couple of weeks I posted this winged rainbow look, but it was coming out of a black smoky eye. And then the blue glitter underneath was from a blue smoky eye that came from Taylor Graham MUA. And this is her look. And then this is mine. I did that the other night. And then I'm not sure how to pronounce the username, but I'll write it here. It was basically a rainbow coming, it was just a circle cut crease, but I decided to turn it into a wing with the gold, and it was coming out of the blue. So I hope you like this video. I hope you learned something, and if you would like to watch how this was created, please keep watching. Right, so taking the first shade, and I'm going to be using this colour here from the BH Cosmetics Save You Back to Brazil palette. Taking more of a flat brush. And this is the base for a decent smoky eye. This is one of the easiest ways, in my personal opinion, to do a decent smoky eye. So, just means lots of layering. So taking the Creative Me palette from Coastal Scents, taking this colour here, it's important to connect. What I'm going to use to blend that better is Chip from the Disney Designer palette, the original one. There's a really nice neutral colour. So I'm going to take a blue pencil now. This is the iCool pencil from DV in the shade Metallic Blue. And then I'm going to take put No Filter Concealer in light tan, and I'm going to cut my face with it. I'm going to do a quite light cut face with it. Using the smallest brush as possible, so I'm going to be taking is an orange in there, but I'm gonna give it a bit of a try. Taking a mixture of these two. I'm going to be taking the yellow from the palette. Might go in a little bit deeper with this yellow. And then I think the green from this palette, this shade of green is better. Taking this one here. And just to sort of bridge that, I'm going to be taking this green because it's kind of a bluer tone green. Then I'm going to be taking this blue again. Of course, you don't want it to blend too far into the crease, which is white, which is good because it's going sort of on the outside where the blue is a little lighter. And I'm going to grab a really small brush and do the tip of it. Okay, so I'm going to do a few things. I'm actually going to put a ton more powder underneath this eye because I am going to use some glitter, and it's pigmented. If you saw my Galaxy one, you'd understand why I'm putting the powder down. Right, to keep it safe for now, I'm going to take just clean brushes, sake, doing a little bit of primer. This is the Shadow Endurance from Too Faced. I haven't used this one in a while, so. And then I'm taking One Kiss from the Disney palette. Then I'm going to use the excess of the glitter that's on the back of my hand. So I am grabbing the Pure Pigment Shadow. I learnt the other day that there's two different products from this. There are pigments and shadows. This is an eyeshadow. I meant within this collection. Within the line, I should say. And then I am going to take that was shade that's shade 114. This is shade 30. And it's the white with the gold reflect in it. And then I'm going to take a lash glue. I'm going to draw along the whole line there. And I'm taking the AMC Pure Pigment Eyeshadow in 24. I should know these products by now. 24 is pure gold, so very well named. Some mascara. Okay, so I went away, finished the other eye, and I'm about to just glue on my lashes and do my lips, and then we're done. So, today has been a day. There's reasons that there's a liter of wine in the fridge. Right, I am taking, and you can see how small it is. It's Tickled Pink from Australis. You know what I haven't done? I haven't highlighted. That's not like me. So taking Mary Luminizer from the balm, you can see how much I love this stuff. And then I'm going over that Master Chrome in Molten Gold from Maybelline. I was super indecisive about what lip I was going to go with. I think I'm going to go the Disney Designer lip gloss in Last Petal. So obviously this is the Belle collection. This is one of my absolute favourite glosses, and I think it's getting discontinued. Like, I'm so disappointed. So that, pretty people, is my finished rainbow out of the blues look. I don't know what I want to call it. I guess you could pretty much just say it's putting on the end of the rainbow. Don't know. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day and stay classy, kids. I don't have my rose. I've moved and I have misplaced my roses. Anyway, we'll make do. Bye.